The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Burleigh County in south central North Dakota, southeastern Morton County in south central North Dakota, northwestern Emmons County in south central North Dakota, until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Solon, or 20 miles south of Bismarck, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hazleton Recreation Area, Fort Rice, Tempe, Stump State Natural Area.
That was close, Whitey.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower